Today's video, I want to explain how to use some materials. If you are kind of person that always complain about hard time or you always have a bad dreams, in Yoruba language, we call this Ose Ebi Awon Agba.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Beats. Alafia. Angeli Mionisun. Eriwuya Oguwata. Lọ́lákúnbáyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́lákúnbáyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí dábọ̀ sóhun mi ló jẹ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dàníyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. Today's video, I want to explain how to use some materials. If you are kind of person that always complain about hard time or you always have a bad dreams, in Yoruba language we call this Ose Ebi Awon Agba. If you are kind of person that always complain about bad luck, you have a bad dreams, maybe your family, all those strong women that is stopping your life. You travel from one place to another and nothing seems to change. You understand? This video is for you. When you try this simple remedy, by the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. So the materials you need for this special remedy, the first one is red feather. We all know, I think you can see the image of red feather displayed on the screen. In Yoruba language, we call it ikode. We call it ikode. You can get this from parrots. You understand? The parrot tea. It's very red. I think you can see the image displayed on the screen. So the second one is ajobale leaf. I think you can see the English name displayed on the screen. Ajobale leaf. The third material is epo and soap. You are not going to use medicated soap. If you can't find soap over there, if you can't find local soap like all this black soap, like this one now it's a white soap. This is soap, a white soap. Let me open it. If you don't know it, this is white soap. Let me remove one. See, have you seen it? This is soap. It's very costly in Nigeria now. Like this one now. This one is 10,000 naira. 10,000. So, believe me, if you try this simple remedy, first, you will never lack of money. Are you with me? Second, if you are using something and you always complain that thieves are not working on you, when you try this simple remedy, believe me, all the spiritual something you are using over a year, over 2 years ago, it will start working on your body. If you're having a bad dream, use it. If your son or your daughter or your children, they always cry while sleeping, use it for them. You understand? If you have any challenges, use it. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu, also known as Babueje. This is your first time here. Everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one I want to share with you right now. and you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, please feel free to call me or you message me on WhatsApp 09053324747, or you call me on 07037422552. And I'm using this opportunity to tell you that this February we are holding an online seminar. So if you're interested, you can join me to learn how to treat stroke, ulcer, fibroid, low sperm counts, and ulcer, and so on. In this on that day, I will try to practicalize and show you the materials you understand, so you'll be able to recognize those materials. So as I was saying, today I want to explain how to use those materials to, ẹ̀bẹ̀ àwọn àgbà Yoruba language. It can work for many things, you understand? Many things. If you complain about maybe you are looking for a job, or you always face promise and fail. Whenever they try to do something for you, they easily forget you, you understand? Or they deny you. This video is for you. Are you with me? So the ajobale leaf, ajobale leaf. If you are a man, and if you are a male or female, you need 9 pieces. 9 pieces of ajobale leaf. You pound it together with red feather and epo obo. You pound it together. Then you now mix it with soap. With soap. You mix it with soap. So this soap, if you want to bake this soap, you must bake it around 7 o'clock on Tuesday. Are you with me? You bake it around 7 o'clock on Tuesday. Anytime that you want to bake the soap, make sure you bake it 7 o'clock on Tuesday. Do not bake this soap on Monday, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can only bake this soap on Tuesday, 7 o'clock. You understand? This 7 o'clock p.m., not a.m. 7 o'clock p.m. in the night, bake it. You understand? You can take the material to your bedroom when it is to 7. So when it is 7 o'clock, and you must make sure that you bake this soap before 7:30. No, I trust my people. All those are women. They want to bake. They will stay inside the bedroom for long time. If you want to bake it, if you start baking it around 7 o'clock, make sure that you, before 7, 15 after 7, make sure that you've already baked. You understand? So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Very simple and very, very effective. So I think you can see the image of the materials displayed on the screen. The ajobale leaf. I think you can see it. And Ikode, not all these agric parrots, you understand? So it gets, if you don't know it, you can go to all these people selling spiritual material, tell them that you want to buy Ikode. It's very red. I think you can see the image of the Ikode displayed on my screen. And the third one is Ekwobo. You know, Ekwobo is very common in all my videos. So that is why you need Ekwobo. If you need the powder one, I'm selling it. If you need the powder one, I'm selling it. If you need the hard one, I'm also selling it. And again, I'm selling honey. If you need original honey, I have it. Original honey. Original honey. Like this one now. This is 5 kg. 5 liters. Sorry. This is 5 liters. Like all this one now. This one bottle. This one is 5,000 naira. So if you need it, you let me know. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. If you love this video, please help to like this video, you comment under my video. As you like my video, you comment me. Almighty God bless you, bless your family. Thank you very much. And once again, every night around 11 o'clock or
àwọn lèmi bá bọ́ sóhun mi rìn jọdí gbọ́. La ilaha illallah, alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òun bẹ́ẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. À ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ gbóhùn wa. Torí lọ́la kó fàyà kùn Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó fàyà kùn Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi bá bọ́ sóhun mi rò jọdí gbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà, àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ. Wọ́n fàyà kùn Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà, ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán.